Hello guys, mwen vini ankon sou Chanel nou an. Chanel mwen menman seman vek Wendy Polite.
Yep, ça a fait tout le monde pour nous.
So kounya la nou nan yon nou nan Korea Town. Nou vin manje kelke bon ti manje Korean food. Ke mpoko jam manje Korean food. Premier fwa m ave seye manje Korean food for the first time. So hopefully we find something that's very tasty, you know. So far I've seen a lot of great food, but we haven't tried them yet. Once I try them, I'm gonna make sure I give you guys my honest review.
Yeah man, pendant que nous Japon a profité, nous gagnons 1 an et demi là, nous étions 1 an et demi. Un an quelques mois.
Non, nous pas été 1 an et demi, non. Nous étions 1 an 2 mois.
1 an quelques mois. 1 an quelques mois.
1 an 2 mois seulement.
Yep, ça veut dire qu'il faut profiter sortir.
Marcher, explorer Japon.
Pour buy regret then quitter là.
Yeah.
Not to regret it, but you know, at this way kind of we're going to the place, come on, one. Oh, that's nice.
Nous gain pour nous aller. Is that the Korean barbecue?
No, watch out. Sorry. I don't know what it is, but it looks nice.
Nous pouvons aller Osaka, nous pouvons aller Kyoto.
Well, nous devons aller là, oui, non.
Quelques 96.
96 just back in Turi.
Anyways, guys, I'll montrer nous once I get some great Korean food.
Absolutely, bel bagay.
次は原宿オレンジは右側です。地下鉄千代田線と地下鉄副都心線は乗り換え
if I'm not mistaken, I said.
This is the Yamanote Line train bound for
It's part of my
Shinjuku
military salary where
and
you were
Ikebukuro.
in Tokyo.
The next station is Harajuku. JY19.
And we are going.
The doors on the right side will open. Please
So
change
whatever.
for the Chiyoda subway line
Whatever.
and the Futoshin subway
That's what I
line.
remember. Osoku something?
Koreatown.
Yeah, we're out of town. What's up, stop? Something of that nature. Oh my God, Shinobuku. Shinobuku it is. So yeah, we're going to Koreatown, so hopefully we'll see something beautiful, something nice.
Why is that? We just found out. I just found out not too long ago about Koreatown.
I heard about it. You told me about it a long time ago. Somebody told me about it a long time ago.
I did.
Probably you or somebody else. I don't know. You might.
What's the first thing you're gonna eat when you get to Koreatown?
I don't know. I'm not too hungry, so something that is really good, I guess.
I want some Korean barbecue.
We'll see. Whatever you want, you'll get it.
この電車は山手線外回
I'm not
り
too
池
hungry, so
袋
I'm
上野
right
方
now.
面行
We'll
きで
see.
す。次は新大久保オレンジは右側です。
What is the number one thing you're gonna miss Japan for?
Food, man, food. Food and shrine, I guess.
The shrine? You don't even go to that many shrines.
It doesn't matter. Just love the shrine. You don't have to go to them to appreciate them. I just love shrine. Man, they're quiet.
I'm gonna miss Japan for the safetyness.
Safety is not too big for me because I don't care. I'm gonna die anyway, no matter where I'm at. So.
You don't care about safety?
That's what I'm saying. Like, my job is not, you know, it's a job that high risk. Therefore, no matter where I'm at, I
Safety is
can
not a
die.
priority for you?
It doesn't matter. I'm gonna die no matter what. But sure, for my wife, of course, safety is good.
Traffic. The traffic live. So Kunya na essayé quelques hot dog. Let me see yours, honey. Ça c'est potato with
Potato with sausage.
and ça c'est potato with cheese. Difficulty problem. Nous venons au restaurant pas de menu en anglais. So nous pas comprendre ça menu en anglais. Et en coréen ensemble avec japonais seulement pas comprendre. Everything in the menu is in.
Well, you think that there's meat on it? She doesn't have might as well eat about meat.
Ba comprendre rien ça menu a dit. So this is the setup to cook our own food. Yo ba nou ti tablier pour nous mettre sur nous parce que ba on va voyer en pile graisse. Et puis ça c'est là que nous va cuire toute viande que nous order yo. So yeah. That's the little setup. Ça tout le bagage que yo ba nous pour nous manger. So nous faisons dans le Coréen restaurant là, manger pas tellement bas. Nous mangeons, nous plein qu'on y a même marché, pas qu'à marcher tellement plein. Il y a nous aller dans un petit plaza, nous allons faire un petit marché, tout petit.
Yep.
Seulement Japon pourrait marcher comme ça. Ça cap monter, yo marcher sur bord gauche là rien, ça cap descendre, yo marcher sur bord droite là. Seul grain Japon.
Automatiquement, on connaît côté lié.
Il y a mon pas besoin de dire comme si comment côté pour marcher avec côté pour pas marcher, yo tout connaît. Et ça vraiment fait belle to the way they walk. It's pretty nice, yeah. And look at that. They're cleaning it to keep it clean. Very pretty.
Yes.
So this is what we got. This is how it look like.